Introducing a new standard in the protection of sailors and the seas on which they sail. Blue Eco from Henri Lloyd. Industry-leading technology that delivers all the performance features you'd expect and new eco-friendly qualities you might not. Henri Lloyd has partnered with Japan's environment-friendly product company Teijin to produce its first ever entirely sustainable foul weather gear, featuring infinite recycling, a closed-loop system designed to reduce energy consumption and reduce waste. Through the system, customers return worn-out Blue Eco garments to Henri Lloyd for recycling in Teijin's revolutionary Eco Circle fibre-to-fibre facility. Recycled raw materials are converted into new, highly durable polyester fibres and engineered into fabric that is shipped back to Henri Lloyd for the manufacture of new Blue Eco product. Infinite recycling from Henri Lloyd significantly reduces energy consumption and carbon dioxide emissions. Less waste, more utility, intelligent innovation, and incomparable features. The Blue Eco Coastal Jacket offers the optimum in waterproof breathable technology with superior construction, room for generous layering, and a breathable liner with a DWR finish. Articulated elbows and underarms deliver superior ease of movement. Additional features include an adjustable storm cuff design that offers virtual dry cuff protection and a storm flap with drainage channel that covers a two-way zip and adjustable hem tensioner. The jacket's roll-away high-vis hood with aperture adjustment is highly versatile, as are other fine details. A fleece-lined collar, inner security pocket, two large fleece-lined hand warmer pockets, Vislon molded zips, easy grab zip pullers, and reflective taping ensures the ultimate in comfort and performance. Quality design, environmental sustainability, dependable performance. The kind of performance you've come to expect from Henri Lloyd, the most respected name in marine performance clothing. It's a new wave in intelligent innovation designed to contribute to global solutions and preserve our partnership with the sea. To learn more about Blue Eco and its revolutionary infinite recycling process, visit our website